Hey guys, and today we're going to be checking out an issue on a Nissan Altima. This one is a 2003 and it's the NATS security system, and our problem today is a key. So I'm going to show you what to do about this. It may be causing like a P1610 or a P1614 check engine light. So let's check it out. Hey guys, and this is your issue for that P1610 or P1614. This is a 1632 battery, and a lot of times your no start condition will just be this battery, and it could be something more complicated with the security system, but this is likely the issue. So try this first and then move on to your next probable cause. You might want to call like a locksmith or key guy who can program the security system and do all that. But a lot of times this is what it is. For the customer's car today, this was the problem. It's cranked right up after I replaced this battery. Okay guys, so here is our key. This is like the NI02 or N102 key here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy apart, and the way we're gonna do that is you'll take two picks. Okay, you're gonna, with one, the 90 degree, you're gonna kind of pry this guy apart, and then with your other pick you're gonna reach inside, and we have these little tabs. Okay, and so I'm gonna set it up like this. So if you can imagine, you're gonna push the tab out of the way, and then with this guy separate the key like so, and that's how you open the key up. And then when we open it up, it opens up like that. We got this little rubber piece. We go ahead and just pull your rubber piece out. Sorry, I wish I had a camera stand, but I don't. So you pull that rubber tab out, and then your little chip slides out, and that is where it gets time to replace the battery. So the battery will be sitting right in here. Here's my old one. It sits in this side facing that way, and you just stick it in, and you would take your pick, just kind of push the old battery out, take your new 1632 battery and stick it in there. So this will alleviate that problem. It should get your car cranked back up if this was the cause of your problem, a bad battery, and it can be a lot of times, especially this one was a 2003. So there you go.